I'm doing a resin pour, and I'm making another geoid coaster. I'm making a set of 4, and this is my last one, so I want to show you guys how I pour it. All my resin is tacky, and you should know that it's like it's a little runny, but not too runny. It's like really thick, but runny enough to pour out. And you don't want it too runny or your colors will mix horribly. So I'm just gonna go around. And it's okay if you don't go too close to the edge because it's gonna spread out when you pour the other colors. Now I'm gonna pour my pretty blue. Now I'm going in with glitter. Just gotta give it a mix because some of my glitter sank down. And last is my silver chunks. Okay, last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit it with a lighter, and I prefer the barbecue lighters to pop the bubbles. And I just put my flame extra long so I can hit everything at once. Okay, and then I'll just check on it and keep getting the bubbles, and then I'll show you guys how it looks like when it sets tomorrow. If you have any spaces like this little gap right here, you can just fill it in with a toothpick. I think that was it. Yep. And then I have my other 2 setting. You see the colors start spreading themselves. These ones are sitting, so I'm gonna go ahead and light these. All right, so I'm just gonna let these sit overnight, and then we will take these out of the molds tomorrow. And then I just gotta add the clear coat for that one, and we'll see how they came out. I just finished all these. I took them out of the molds and they came exactly how I wanted. You see how you can see the colors blend a little bit nicer, but still in place. Super shiny. And I already did my edges. And what I use is one of these paint pens. Let me see, I have like the gold leaf pen, but I use a silver one. Yeah, I love how they came out. I'm gonna show you how they look outside. I guess I could just take one of them. So I really love how these turned out. I already put my little label, and I actually got these labels for free. Forgot her YouTube name. A Crafty Concept. So she does it for her hats, and I use them on my crochet hats, and she does free printable labels every week, every Wednesday. So I got this one. It says handmade with love, and every month she changes like the pattern, and then you could put like a logo if you want on it. So that's what I did. It's not long enough. I should have cut them a little bit longer, but they work perfect still. Yeah, I'm really happy with how they. If you guys enjoyed my resin pour video and reveal, let me know if that's something you guys like watching on my videos or tutorials. And if there's a color that you guys want to see, or color theme, whatever, different patterns, let me know, because I'm always up for trying something different.